It's Mx5 V8 build time. We've started filming a little after we started this build. So far, we've removed the Mx5 engine and gearbox, along with some other bits that you can see now. The V8 has had some of its bits removed that aren't going to be needed as well, and the next stage for us is to remove the subframe and strip it, as we have a nice new custom subframe to fit. After a lot of this, and some of this, and some mild swearing, we had 6 of the subframe bolts out, so it was time to try and take out the subframe.
Wait, so you've got one bolt left on the other side?
Yeah, and this thing should come out. It's not going to. It's been in there for 30 years. Smell.
It does smell quite
Barbecuing. Just we're going to be dragging. It's going to come down.
Yeah, you're
And
one.
then drag straight forward. So saves pissing, mucking around.
So that's out now, is it?
That is now. I should be. Once I've done this one, which is finger tight. So the theory is, once we lower the jack, this should come with it.
Hopefully.
But it won't, because it's a...
Metal, you might have to stamp on it a little bit.
Yeah, it might, should do.
Did you find out?
I think that's all of them. Can't see anything else. Let's have a look.
Myself, professional mechanic.
Right, go on then.
Should we find out?
Yeah, let's have a look, see what happens.
Am I doing the honours?
You are doing the honours.
I'm lowering.
It's not going. Stop, stop, stop. Come back. No, just come back. Not jack up, just come back. Slow back a little bit. There you go. Shalala.
Right, I'm climbing.
Anything moving.
It's quite stuck, that. No, that's solid as fuck. Right,
Right. How the hell are we going to get this off then?
There's shit in my eye. There's always shit in my eye.
I'm trying not to swear. I think less editing for you. That sounded crunchy.
Just a tap.
My welding may take it.
Right, now we fannied about trying to get this subframe off for quite a while. There aren't 6 bolts for the subframe, there's 8. So now we're just going to skip ahead to the bit where we actually take it out.
Can you see the subframe from where you are?
With that, it's attached.
There?
Tiny bit more. Yeah. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right, take those fully out.
Put that there. I'm going to get out from underneath the car.
Okay. Right, that steering's still connected.
Yeah.
Oh, but that with the rest of the chassis. Slowly bring it down.
YouTube is going to see your ass.
Kind of more out.
Okay.
Yeah, keep going. Keep coming. Stop. So just stop on frame. Right, take it back up and just.
Yeah.
Now, the subframe is free from the body of the car, but we're still connected to the steering shaft that goes into the car. So that's what we're taking off next.
That's one that you definitely forget about. Going far.
12mm spanner, please. You think you was 12? Should come free.
Do you not want to tap further down? Like, actually tap the steering rack to try and just free it.
Yeah. I'm trying to. Go on. What are you thinking?
So instead of tapping that, so actually tapping the steering rack because it wants to come out that way, doesn't it?
I could try it, but is that moving?
A little bit.
We've got any penetrating oil left?
Where do you
Yeah,
want it?
that's moving. On the threads, please.
That one.
Yeah. There you go. That's enough.
Oh, she's coming. Slightly lower?
Yeah, a little bit. Like.
I got that back. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. I don't think I hit anything that was too breakable. Right, shocks are clear, yeah.
Yeah, we're clear on this side.
Right, drop her down. Just found something that wasn't unbolted.
Well, it's down now.
It's down.
Happy days, the old subframe is out, which means we can now test fit our new subframe before we then strip the old one and put all the stuff on the new one.
Yeah, do you remember I said they put big wooden chocks under for safety reasons?
Yeah, you
That didn't happen, did it?
Nah, it's fine.
It's fine.
Look, the car's in one
To be
piece.
fair, look at the amount of hammering we've just done on it to get that frame off.
I mean, that
Didn't need
that
to
one's a
happen.
little bit bent. That one's straight.
Yeah, you got 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Oh, right, I don't know how far.
What I'm thinking is if you can
Oh,
get
right.
if you can get it up,
That's what she said.
if you can get it up, I'll hold it.
You're not far off. You need to go a little bit more this way.
And are we nearly in the hole?
Yeah, that one's in the
Is
hole.
that in the hole?
On this side, we're
Right,
in
now
the
if you
hole.
unscrew while it's in the hole.
That one's in the hole.
Right. Well, I'll hold it and you put it in.
Where's the bloody bolt?
You not find your end.
What?
Go on, bring it up. Fucking heavy this.
It's alright. You seem to have driven over the bolt with your. It's alright. I've got some. Impact time, is it?
No, just put them in hand tight and then we'll put them in with the impact. Ah!
Go on, lad.
I'm joking.
Right. We'll do this side first. Touch more. on this side. Sorry. Go on, lad. Get. Are these different size holes or something?
No, it shouldn't be.
Why is it so difficult to see? There we go. Doesn't feel strong. You're alright.
I'm loving it.
Is it heavy though?
I would have put the back ones in first, you know, it's easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's lift her up.
Are we doing the rear back first?
We're doing the rear,
Okay. Well, are you doing the front?
rear middle.
Rear, not the
In
rear.
fact, no, just do rear front, rear.
Okay. We get on. This is not on the.
Bit of a problem.
That you can't get yours on the thing.
Yeah, how about you?
No, I can't get mine on the thing with the rear in. I think we should do the front first.
Are you in?
We're in.
Why is it everything goes together a piece of piss when you're doing it wrong?
That's a good question. That doesn't feel like it's threading right.
Just put your rear bolt in, mate.
Back one.
Piss.
Looks straight.
Is it going in easy enough?
Yeah.
Then it's not cross-threading. You're all right. Should put more than these two bolts in before I put the engine in.
I reckon we should put all of them in.
I was thinking just these two.
You think?
Yeah. Just put the engine in and call it done. Gently, don't ram it in.
No, I wasn't going to ram it. You know me, I'm not going to be careful but thorough lover. Oh.
Here's your selfish lover. There you go, because this is going to come out again.
Aww.
Well, as you can see, that was an enormous success, so it's time to take it out again and strip some subframes.
I'm a good lover. Swear to God, watching you trying to put that impact on a fucking bolt, if you was woman lad, you'd still be a virgin. You gonna take the weight for me?
No. Yeah.
You got it?
Yes.
He's a gentle lover. I'm gonna get out and grab the frame off you.
Oh, I'm dying over it.
Go on, let me go.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, you stuck a bolt in there.
Yeah, I didn't tell you that one.
Well, you're out now, so.
And where's
Don't
your...
forget it's a different size than the one you've got on.
These are all your subframe bolts on the floor. Putting them back in.
Shufty, shufty, shufty. Shows your mufti.
That's a different size.
Yeah! I'm glad we're recording this because I can rewind this. Do you remember when I told you it was a different size?
No.
You were like, fuck
Which
you.
size? Can I have a different size, please?
Oh.
17 as a guess? Like so.
You don't buy that again. Come on. Done off. There you go.
Oh, joy of joys. That was that.
Do you want to try getting Big Bertha? Did a really big break bar.
They're really long.
They're a really, really long one. Because I've got a funny feeling we might have to cut these.
Oh, do you go?
No, that was me moving the bolt. Mad strength. It might have done actually.
I think that moved. Oh, go on.
Yeah.
You think right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Moved it again. Yeah.
Go on then.
Get the impact on it.
Go on, try again. You can move it now, go put some resistance on. Oh, that is moving.
Impact time.
Yeah, go for it.
And now you've seen that we are actually able to break loose the wishbone bolts, I'm just going to stick it on a time lapse for all of these subframey things. the wishbone bolt successfully removed and only 2 of the 4 camber bolts broken, that is where we're going to leave the V8 build for today. In the next episode, we will fit all of the suspension stuff to the new subframe and start cutting and welding in the engine bay. So, see you soon.